Tired of manually updating all those Jira issues after every code change? Let's dive into how using smart commits in Jira can revolutionize your workflow. Start by navigating to your Jira project and making sure you have a Git integration already set up, which will allow Jira to communicate with your Git provider, such as GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Next, go to your project settings and find the section related to Git integration. This section is typically called Git Integration or DVCS configuration. If you haven't already, you may need to connect your Git provider to Jira by using your Git account credentials. Follow any prompts on the page to give Jira the necessary permissions to access your repositories. Now for the magic. Within your Git commit message, you'll use smart commit commands alongside your Jira issue key. Start each commit message with the relevant Jira issue key, such as project 1 to 3. Then, use keywords to specify what you want Jira to do. Some common keywords include close or resolve to transition the issue, comment to add a comment, assign to assign the issue to someone, and reopen to reopen an issue. Add a description following these keywords to provide context. Make sure your messages include the issue key, a space, the keyword, and a description if needed. Commit your changes. Once the commits have been pushed to your Git provider, Jira will automatically read these messages and update the linked issues. Finally, check the updated Jira issues to see the automatically applied changes directly from your Git commits, like transitions, added comments, or assigned users. That's it. You've integrated smart commits. Now, you can improve developer efficiency by automating issue updates from your commit messages. Smart commits will save you time and automate boring processes.